Hello, it's Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2017, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX Trading Support Center with your daily trading outlook. Wall Street traded in the red on Tuesday over worries that President Trump will not be able to live up to his promises for large-scale relief on tax and regulation. The Dow Jones fell by 1.14%, the S&P 500 by 1.24%, and the NASDAQ lost 1.82% from its value. Google shares fell by 2.11%, closing at $830.46. The U.S. dollar traded lower against the other major currencies as the Federal Reserve's dovish comments concerning rate hikes continued to weigh on sentiment while the sterling and euro surged. The current account came out better than expected at minus 112 billion versus minus 129 billion forecast. Today, the existing home sales is expected at 5.59 million versus 5.69 million previously. Gold rose, closing at $1,244 an ounce despite better than expected economic data, and investors await comments from several Federal Reserve officials. Crude oil fell, closing at $48.11 a barrel, as investors feared that the next batch of inventories data would reveal a rise in U.S. crude stockpiles. The euro traded higher versus the dollar, closing at 1.0806, as growing optimism that centrist candidate Emmanuel Macron would see off the challenge from anti-EU candidate Marine Le Pen in the French presidential race. Technically, according to the weekly chart, the pair is holding below the bearish trend line. As long as the pair is trading below, it is expected to continue the downward, dropping to around 1.0650. However, crossing above the line could start a positive long trend, rising to 1.0950. The pound traded higher versus the dollar, closing at 1.2472 after better than expected UK inflation data. Technically, according to the 2-hour chart, the pair is trading in an ascending triangle pattern. Crossing above the upper band of the triangle may take the cable up towards 1.26, while breaking below the lower band may start a reversal, dropping back to around 1.23. That's it for today. Join us again tomorrow morning as we continue to bring you the latest market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs and where your personal account manager is ready to answer all of your questions. From all of us here at UFX, we wish you a successful trading day.